some number. Now those who are having PDF, please see the PDF also. Without that you will not be able to understand anything. I'm doing 56th one. Magnetic effect of current, some number 56 I am doing. Please keep that PDF in front of you so that you understand. Electron moving with different speeds enter uniform magnetic field. Electron with different speed enters uniform magnetic field in the direction perpendicular to the field. Then they will move along circular path of same radius. Radius for larger radius for fast one, smaller radius for fast one, both B and C depending upon magnitude of field in a direction perpendicular to uniform field. Whenever charge enters perpendicular to the field, your start should be QVB equal to MV square upon R. So I can say therefore R is MV upon QB. Because it is electron, so its charge and mass is same. So I can say R is proportional to B. So it is larger for faster electron. B is the required answer. C57. In a galvanometer, 5% of total current. 5% means 5 upon 100 total current I is passing through it. Through it means through galvanometer. If the resistance of galvanometer is G, then what is the shunt connected to the galvanometer? So I told whenever it is shunt, then S upon S plus G, you remember Ig upon I. So S upon S plus G is Ig. Ig is 5 upon 100 times I divided by I. This is 5 into 20, I gets cancelled. So we get 20 times S equals to S plus G. 19 times S equals to G. Therefore shunt is G by 19. Therefore correct answer is, copy the solution. Charge enters perpendicular to the field, starting is fixed, QVB is MV square by R. If you complete, then please let me know.
Done, sir.
Next sum. 58 diagram based. Current is flowing through uniform square frame. Uniform square frame. In which case current will, these are the direction of current. With current flows through uniform square frame as shown in figure, in which case is magnetic field at the center of frame not zero. In which case it is not zero at the center. Now in this case clearly you can see some current will go in this direction clockwise, some current will go in this direction. So this will have field in inward direction, this will have field in outward direction, therefore net will be zero here. In this case also same, current is getting divided into two parts, moving diagonally, net will be zero. In this case also you can see it is dividing into two parts, going from here zero. ये खाली straight चला जाता है. So for all it will be acting only inward. So not zero, possibilities only in C because current is moving straight. ये ऐसा straight wire दिखाया without division. ये अंदर जा रहा है मतलब it will divide and come out. 59. Magnetic moment denoted by mu of an electron moving in nucleus varies with principal quantum number n. What is relation between principal quantum number and dipole moment? Dipole moment m for moving electron is EBR. This I think I have explained you upon 2. Angular momentum is MBR. This is in chapter called rotational dynamics. Rotational chapter. So if I divide m with L, I get EBR upon MBR. This means m by L is E by m. Important one, this one. Now m will be E by m into L. L is called angular momentum. You are going to study in chapter called atoms, molecule, nuclei, or in chemistry you have done states of matter, structure of atom. Angular momentum is nh upon 2 pi. अगर याद है किसी को तो angular momentum of a moving electron is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. Therefore m becomes E n h upon 2 pi m. M matlab principal quantum, n means principal quantum number, that is nothing but orbit number. So I can say dipole moment is directly proportional to number of orbits. So option is A, very important sum, this one. Try these two sums. Yes, completed. Yes, completed by you all. Hello.
Yeah, sir.
No or yes?
Completed, sir.
ओके ठीक है। तो कुछ भी नहीं समझ रहा है तो प्लीज वापस पूछ लो। बिकॉज ये चैप्टर एकदम परफेक्ट आएगा तो अगला चैप्टर भी बहुत अच्छे से आएगा, विच इज इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक इंडक्शन। Sum number 68. If velocity of charged particle is doubled, velocity is doubled, and strength of magnetic field is made half, then radius becomes how much? Radius becomes how much? So charge enters in the magnetic field. I told you start with QVB equal to MV square upon R. 1V gets cancelled. So R equals to MV upon QV. R1 upon R2. Same mass, same charge. M and Q will get cancelled. V1 upon V2. This will be V2 upon V1. So R1 upon R2 is V1 upon 2 times V1. V2 is half V1 upon V1. V1, V1, V1 cancel. So R2 becomes 4 times R1. That means radius becomes 4 times. Look at 61. 61 is important. A wire is coming from A at infinity. At point P it bends, goes up to infinity here. This is B, angle is 90, current is shown like this, and distance is A. In second case, conductor comes from D, bends at E, going towards F. This is I, here it is A. Two long wire ABC and DEF are arranged as shown in the figure. Two long wire. They carry current I, magnitude of magnetic field at O. O is center, we want what is magnitude of magnetic field at O. So if I look carefully, for this straight part, for this part, O is on AB and O is on DE. So this straight wire will not give any magnetic field. So it will be only for this semi-infinite wire. क्योंकि एक side का infinity वाला part 0, इसको बोलते हैं semi-infinite हो गया. So for AB, comma DE, O lies on the direction of conductor. That means on the line of conductor. So therefore, B due to it is 0. Now only left out is this BC wala part and here EF wala part. B to C it is going infinity, E to F it is going infinity. If direction of field for BC and for EF, if they are in opposite, answer will be 0. So by right hand thumb rule I can see, if I hold BC in my hand and keep the thumb downward, then on AB side my palm is going inside and from O it is coming outside. You also hold the pen properly in your hand and see thumb downward and एक side से वो inward जा रहा है, O पे बाहर निकलेगा ऐसा clockwise circle बना. मैंने अभी ट्राई किया, मेरे हाथ से आप भी ट्राई कर लो. सो बी इज फर्स्ट वाले के वजह से आउटवर्ड, दिस इज आउटवर्ड फॉर BC. एंड फॉर EF करंट इज ऊपर, so I can see एक साइड से my finger will go up, thumb will go up, curled finger is on left right hand side moving in, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ये इन जाके बाहर निकलेगा, मतलब आउटवर्ड. आपको भी ऐसे ही मिला क्या? देखो, मेन इज दिस डायरेक्शन. For BC, hold it right hand pen, thumb downward. You can see your curled finger is in clockwise. Clockwise में O से it will come outside. And similarly for EF, upward, curled finger is going anti-clockwise. O से it is coming outward. That means it will add. Everybody has checked? See properly. Have you checked it?
Yes, sir.
Outward लग रहा है बराबर?
हाँ सर.
तो नेट हो जाएगा ये BC और EF एक ही मैग्नीट्यूड वाला है, तो डबल मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू BC. डबल कर दिया तो भी चलेगा क्योंकि दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड सेम है. BC इज सेमी इनफाइनाइट. सेमी इनफाइनाइट का क्या फॉर्मूला है, याद है क्या? म्यू नॉट अपॉन 4 पाई A, बराबर ना?
Yes, sir.
So this will become mu naught I upon 2 pi A. This is the required answer. On option check करते हैं, C is the option. Solve both properly. The only difficulty is direction. Magnitude तो you by heart formula you'll be able to do. Swarno, Manasvi, and Aryan Purandare, you are able to follow that pattern planner properly.
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं फ्राइडे अभी आपको न्यूमेरिकल दूंगा एंड में. फ्राइडे में न्यूमेरिकल रिवीजन करने वाला हूँ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स का.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. If completed, please, any one of you can tell so that I can again, as I said, move ahead. Is completed? Hello, is it completed by you all?
Done, sir.
Okay. Next sum number 62. A horizontal overhead power line carries current of 90 ampere from east to west direction. Current of 90 ampere east to west. What is magnitude and direction of magnetic field due to current 1.5 meter below the line? So point is 1.5 meter below the line. This is distance. Going east to west, what is magnetic field? First, can you tell me direction at point P by right hand thumb rule? Hold the pen again by right hand. Thumb in the direction of current. Open your palm. It is going inward. Turn it. I can see it is coming outside from downward. What about you all?
Yes, sir.
आउटवर्ड आ रहा है क्या इनवर्ड? मुझे तो आउटवर्ड आया.
हाँ सर, सेम.
आउटवर्ड आ रहा है. आउटवर्ड आया मींस ईस्ट वेस्ट को परपेंडिकुलर एंड आउटवर्ड. कौन सा डायरेक्शन होगा? ईस्ट वेस्ट को परपेंडिकुलर आउटवर्ड. नॉर्थ बोलना. नॉर्थ आ जाएगा. नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. And afterward I am showing you by vector method also. Now magnitude is mu naught I upon 2 pi r because it is near infinite long conductor. 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Current is 90. 2 pi into 1.5. 2 pi into 2. 15 into 6 is 90. This will become 60. So 120 into 10 raised to minus 7. That will become 1.2 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. Now direction part will check. V bar is actually dV bar wala formula. I dl bar cross r bar. A vector form se we can find direction. dl bar means current ka direction. Current is going on west. West means it is minus I cap. And distance is downward. Downward means minus j cap. What is I cap minus j cap? I bar cross j bar. K cap minus minus plus. So plus matlab positive z. Positive z is north direction. So therefore answer is north B. South is negative z and north is positive z. Copy properly. Minute. Outward south आएगा. This is north. This is south. Coming outward. Here. Downward is coming outward. Completed. Yes, everybody has completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 63 is based on chapter called magnetic material. So right now we cannot do. I am doing 64. The magnetic field at distance r from long straight wire varies with B as shown in the figure, which is the correct option. B, I, B, I, B, I, B, I. So for long straight conductor, B is mu naught I upon 2 pi r. That means B is inversely proportional to R. B inversely proportional to R has graph which is rectangular hyperbola. होता है सबको? That means this graph. C. C वाला graph which is like Boyle's law. P is inversely proportional to V. Same way here it is inversely proportional graph. Write this equation, then mark this answer C. Yes, completed. Hello, completed.
Yes, sir.
Next one is difficult sum. 65. This is difficult. In the figure shows cross section of long conducting cylinder. Cross section of long conducting cylinder having inner radius A and outer radius B. And current density is JR square. Current density means current per unit area. This is called as current per unit area. C is constant. What is magnetic field at a distance R? If that R is at any distance R, if R is less than B and greater than A. This means R lies where? If this is suppose conductor, long straight, so conductor बना है, ये बीच में hollow है. This is inner radius and this outer. तो अपना point इधर है ना, किधर बीच में से. So पूछा है what is field anywhere between this. Question followed first. So this is actually wire. ऊपर से देखा तो ऐसा दिखेगा, बट सामने से देखा तो ऐसा दिखेगा. ये दो एंड रहेगा, ऐसा पॉइंट इधर किधर भी हो सकता है ना, इसे इधर इसके बीच में anywhere here. So we want what is magnetic field anywhere which is outside this and inside the outer. Have you followed meaning first? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Meaning you have followed, huh? Whenever I have to find magnetic field, I can also use Ampere's circuit law. And according to Ampere's circuit law, by Ampere circuital law, we know that line integral of d bar dot dr bar equals to mu naught time current enclosed by that. This is I inside that Ampere. That means if I imagine, so इसका मतलब होता है current density, which I told it is nothing but I into area. So if I find I into area for elemental length, we can get required answer. वापस समझा देता हूँ. This is nothing but di upon dA equal to CR square. So if I integrate this full mu naught integrate di, which is mu naught integral of CR square PA from radius anywhere in between, that means from anywhere outside to radius R. Let's say class start saying sum number 65 here. Current density is CR square. Current density means current per unit area equal to CR square. That means current will be CR square into area. But total current is integration of the CR square into area from minimum, that is 0 to any point R. That means if this is the cross section, so anywhere in between that point can be ऐसा yes. Yes. So that means I can assume कि ऐसा बहुत सा वायर होगा जिसमें से करंट बाहर निकलने वाला इसके बीच. So that wire का current density is given J equal to CR square. This is A, outer is B, point can be anywhere in between. So if I imagine here a small ring to be cut, small ring cut कर देता हूँ of thickness dr and radius r. Thickness dr, radius r. So ring, if you cut and open it, then this small area will be 2 pi r dr. Any doubt in this? Hello, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
ये देखो, ये समझा ना कॉन्सेप्ट. इमेजिन करो एक सिलेंडर है आपके पास, उसमें से छोटा सा टुकड़ा कट कर दिया मैंने, तो उसका एक पार्ट हो गया 2 पाई आर, थिकनेस दिया dr, 0 से लेके r तक सबको ऐड कर देना. So 2 pi r dr will give you total area. So by that is same as integration of C constant 2 pi constant r cube dr from minimum output A to that radius r, which is any point they are saying r from A to r. But B bar dot dl bar is nothing but mu naught time current by Ampere's law, if you are remembering the Ampere circuit law. So for this loop, this is V into, at distance r, dl bar is 2 pi r. That will become mu naught times current encloses integration of C into 2 pi r cube dr from minimum A to anywhere r. So B into 2 pi r is mu naught C into 2 pi r raised to 4 upon 4 from A to r. That will become B into 2 pi r is mu naught C into 2 pi capital R raised to 4 minus 4 upon 4 minus of a raised to 4 upon 4. Therefore, B will become 2 pi I can cancel. So B equals to mu naught into C upon R in bracket 4 also I can bring outside. R raised to 4 minus A raised to 4 is required answer. Just check where it is. It is in. This is the only difficult sum where current is not in the form of fire. मतलब ये अगर सिलेंडर लिया तो जितना भी ये लाइन है ना सबसे करंट जैसा वायर है, इसको डॉट 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 ऐसे किया, एक करंट, दो करंट, तीन करंट, पूरे एरिया में करंट एलिमेंट है, सबको बाउंसर किया जाता है. हेलो अनन्या, यू फॉलो?
Yes, sir.
मेन दिस लॉजिक यू फॉलो. करंट किधर से निकल रहा है, ये हर एक पॉइंट में करंट है ना.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
सो आई जस्ट फाउंड ये करंट डेंसिटी इधर से. ये अगर समझ गया तो फिर इसी है. प्लीज कॉपी, नहीं समझा जिसको फिर से समझा. सी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म पार्ट इज एंड काइनेमेटिक्स पार्ट, ये दो जिसका भी स्ट्रांग हो गया ना तो आगे सब इजी है. But I don't know if you are practicing same sums at home first. Whatever I am doing in the class, without saying, 2 times you practice everything which I do in the lecture and then start with anything new. Then you will find it easy. You can do faster in lesser time. Is completed. Yes, done.
Done, sir.
Okay. Once again, see concept of current density. See, if it is just a coil, then we know formula at center also, which is mu naught I upon 2r. Axis also we know, which is mu naught I upon 2 r square upon r square plus x square raised to 2. If it is finite wire, then mu naught I upon 4 pi a into sine of phi 1 plus sine of phi 2. If it is infinite long wire, then this angle will become 90. Sine 90 is 1, sine 91. So mu naught I upon 4 pi a into 2a cancel. If it is semi-infinite wire, then one side angle is 90, other side angle is 0. So it will become mu naught I upon 4 pi a sine 91 plus 0 is 1. मतलब ये answer. But every time we can't have such type of straight wire, circular coil. If it is cylinder, then I cannot use this as a coil. If it is coil wounded, I can't use it as single ton coil. If it is toroid, I cannot use single ton coil. उसके लिए है Ampere's law, or we say Ampere's circuital law. In this case, you have to assume one loop which is enclosing the current carrying conductor. That means if this is a loop, तो इतना जो भी अंदर है ना, ये पूरे को वो enclose कर लेगा. That means if this is cylinder, actually इधर से ये हर जगह से इलेक्ट्रॉन मोशन में है. If you connect this cylinder, तो any current carrying loop मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन का मोशन is for me like wire. तो ये 1 2 3 4 ऐसा बहुत सा वायर बीच में. But we are interested only which is enclosed by this Amperian loop, R radius वाला. So they are telling current density मतलब current flowing per unit area, small current flowing through small area. हम लोग के पूरा area में चाहिए था. So I found integration of CR square into that area. So I assume, suppose there is a small ring of radius small r and thickness dr, having changing from A to any point r. So A से r तक किया. Area is 2 pi r dr, and then it was simple story. That is what I explained. Next sum is simple one. Sum number 66. An ion of charge plus q mass m is accelerated in the region of potential difference V volt, and then it enters a region of uniform field V perpendicular to its velocity. If the ion describes semicircle of diameter x, then its mass m is how much? It determines semicircle. Indirectly it is circle only of radius r, but semicircle. So we know whenever charge enters uniform field perpendicular, तो अपना first line तो fix है. When charge enters perpendicular to magnetic field, then E dB equal to mv square by r. This is fixed. From this, I can get r, which is equals to mv upon EB. This part is fixed whenever charge enters. Now they are telling it is accelerated by potential V. So I don't know whether everybody knows kinetic energy is half into velocity square, which is same as E into voltage V. So wherever I see V, I can write 2 EV upon M in. So if I use this concept, I can say R equals to M upon EB, and V becomes 2 EV upon M in root. Root means power half. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
We want diameter. Diameter is given x. So radius can be written as x upon 2 equals to M upon EV 2 times EV upon M raised to half. अब स्क्वायरिंग कर देता हूँ. So x square by 4 is M square upon EB 2 EV upon M. 1 M cancel. You are interested in mass, cross multiply. एक EV cancel. So mass M equal to ये B का square x square into e square होगा. E square, one charge will get cancelled. So just 1 E upon 4 into 2, 8 into potential. Any doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
हाँ देखो पहला वो कॉन्सेप्ट याद रखो. चार्ज एंटर्स इन द फील्ड, ये लाइन फिक्स होना चाहिए आपको यार. चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन था इससे ई लिखा, ई को क्यू लिखा तो भी चलेगा. अरे सॉरी आयन दिया था ना, आयन तो क्यू लिखा बिकॉज आयन दे हैड गिवन, आयन नॉट चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रॉन तो क्यू 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 स्क्वायर क्यू, here also QV, right? If you are completing, please let me know. Is it done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, I'm requesting, please practice all the sum today or tomorrow itself before you come to the next class. Otherwise, we are going on doing many sums and nothing will be retained in your brain. Next one, current I is flowing in a conductor shaped as shown in the figure. Current I is flowing in a conductor shaped as shown in the figure. Current I is entering from this end and leaving from here. This is center. Center. Center is 4. The value of magnetic field will be how much? Radius of curved path is r. Length of straight wire is very large. What is magnetic induction at the center? If I consider this as first conductor, then for this first conductor, point is at distance r, that center. Is it true? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
तो ये इंफिनिटी से आके वायर इधर पॉइंट निकाला तो सेमी इनफाइनाइट हो गया, दोनों साइड नहीं बढ़ गया, इधर से कर्व हो गया, तो इंफिनिटी से आया तो आधा पार्ट इसको सेमी इनफाइनाइट हो गया. Can you tell me what will be direction of field due to this conductor at O? Inward क्या outward? मुझे इनवर्ड लग रहा है, आपको क्या लग रहा है? इनवर्ड, बराबर. P1 सेमी इनफाइनाइट है, तो फॉर्मूला क्या है उसका? म्यू नॉट आई अपॉन 4 पाई ए फॉर सेमी इनफाइनाइट वायर. एंड दिस इज सर्कल कॉइल. इसका भी फील्ड इनवर्ड है क्या आउटवर्ड है एट ओ? Fast बोलो. Current is clockwise. What is field at O?
Inward.
Inward. Very good. Inward. बराबर. लेकिन ये 3/4 coil है ना, so it will be 3/4 of mu naught I upon 2R. 3/4. So net and third wire. This is second and this is third. For third, ये point conductor के ऊपर है, तो 0 है on the conductor. So P net is only P1 plus P2. So it is mu naught I upon 4 pi R 3/4 mu naught I upon 2R. Everywhere they have given mu naught I upon 4 pi R common outside the bracket. So this is 4 pi R common, left out is 1 plus 4 ले लिया बाहर, तो ये 3/2 तो इसका अकेले का है, that will be as it is. pi एक्स्ट्रा आ गया तो pi ऊपर आ जाएगा. 1 plus 3 pi by 2 is given in. Arya? Hello, Arya? Arya? Arya, you have understood?
Yes, sir.
See, I am purposely many times asking to medical students because for them competition is more. Everybody has understood? First conductor का distance r पे is center, so I use that semi-finite wire का formula. For coil, it is 3/4. Third conductor, it is on the conductor. If you extend it, therefore B is 0. Both are in same direction. Add. Important sum again. ऐसा शेप वाला अलग अलग शेप का important. See, so many sums I am doing. I could have winded this in 50 sums. So please practice daily. All the types are getting included. Yes, completed. I think completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sum number 68. An electron is traveling with velocity v bar equals to 3 I cap plus 5 j cap meter per second. Enters magnetic field p bar equals to 6 I cap plus 4 j cap Tesla. What is magnitude and direction of force on the electron? Magnitude and direction of force on the electron. Formula of force is Q into V bar cross V bar. Therefore, F bar equals to Q. Electron means 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. Then determinant of I cap, J cap, K cap. P is 3, 5, K nahi hai 0, 6, 4, 0. So it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 I cap, J cap, K cap. Oh, sorry, I'm just solving this rather than writing again I cap, J cap, K cap. So this will be I cap into 5 into 0, 0 into 4, it will become 0. Minus j cap. For j cap again 3 into 0 and 6 into 0 is also 0. Plus k cap, 3 4s are 12, minus 5 into 6, 30. So it will be 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 minus of 18 k cap. So minus of 18. 18 into 6. 18 into 6 is 108. Carry 10. 16 and 10 is 26. See ऑप्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन में ही दिया है और इजी कर दिया है काम. So this is nothing but minus 18 times एक इलेक्ट्रॉन into k cap. So 18 times E minus k is negative Z. So answer is 18 times charge of one electron minus k cap indicates negative Z axis. Okay. Solve. Done.
Done.
Okay. Some number now 69. Two current loop similar are placed with their planes along x-axis and y-axis. Planes along x-axis and y-axis. Two current carrying loop plane along x-axis and other y-axis. Ratio of magnetic field at common point on the axis to the individual magnetic field at the same point. So one is kept along x-axis, other is kept along y-axis. With their planes along x and y, then ratio of resultant magnetic field to the individual magnetic field at the same point. Resultant and individual at the same point. Now if this is one field, its intensity will be outward like this. For second field, again okay. Two current loops are placed with their planes along x-axis and y-axis. Then the ratio of resultant magnetic field at a common point on the axis. Common point on the axis. Suppose this is common point on the axis. To the individual magnetic field at the same point will. So if I take one point here, other is individual magnetic field, then we know for on the x-axis, this is direction of P at any point on the axis. And for individual magnetic field, first conductor will have field upward, second conductor will have same direction. Meaning of this, ratio of resultant to the individual. So if one, this is coil, this is the field. If this is the coil, this is the field. So their resultant will be Pythagoras theorem. So if this is B, this will be also B because current is same, everything is same except the direction. So B resultant will be √2 times B and B individual is B. So if I take ratio, B resultant upon B individual will be √2:1. Two loops, एक x axis पे, एक y axis. तो दोनों का resultant field is √2 times. Individual field B is the BR upon B is √2 times. Okay. Common point I have taken here center. Yes, done.
Sir.
Sum number 70 is of magnetism chapter. I have not yet done. We can't do. 71 I am not doing for you. So start with it. 71 you can do. The resultant force on the current loop PQRS. This is current. Current loop. Current is entering from one side. Here it is entering. This side is leaving. So current passes like this. E Q R S. हेलो सर एक 8:30 को करो तो हाँ हेलो हेलो
Yes, sir.
So current is 20 ampere throughout 20 ampere 20 ampere and this is one straight conductor also carrying 20 ampere. This distance is 2 centimeter and this is 15 centimeter. Find the resultant force acting on the loop. Now I don't know whether you are remembering. Take 5 centimeter distance wala we have done. Find the resultant force on the loop. Due to this first conductor, field here will be inward. On this one, field be again inward because same direction में इसका current. So current due to this first one, PS पे भी inward field देगा and QR पे भी inward. But B का value दोनों जगह पे अलग है because distances are different. Here distance is 2, here distance is 15 plus 2. Sorry, 10 plus 2. 10 cm. So B1, I can say it is mu naught I upon 2 pi R1, where R1 is 2 cm. And B2 is same mu naught I upon 2 pi R2, where R2 equals to 10 plus 2, 12 cm. Now direction of force acting on PS and QR by right hand thumb rule. If you don't know Fleming's left hand rule, you can think of this I L bar cross. Current का direction is L का direction. So current is moving up. If current is moving up, I cap is J cap cross. B is inward. Inward means minus K cap. What is J cap cross K cap?
I cap.
J cross K I cap. प्लस में है, प्लस में है ना J cross K. और इधर पहले से माइनस है, तो फाइनल आंसर माइनस आई कैप मतलब लेफ्ट है. ये F हो गया ऑन PS. ऑन QR अभी क्लियर कट करंट उल्टा है, तो इट विल गेट इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. So net current will be difference of these two. Net force. This is on the right, this is on the left. So F acting on PS. On QR, again direction is I L bar cross B bar. L means current moving downward, so minus J cap. Field is inward, minus K cap. That will become minus minus plus I cap. So therefore it is on the right side. So this is one force acting, this is one force. Result will be difference of these two, larger minus small. So FPS is mu naught current I into ये कंडक्टर का करंट यू कैन कॉल I1 अपॉन 2 pi distance is R1. And second one QR mu naught I current is same upon 2 pi R2 into length. So just simplify this. Larger minus smaller will be our result. Concept followed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
First you have followed the concept. ये खुद को फोर्स नहीं देगा, ये कंडक्टर ये दोनों लूप पे फोर्स देना है. एक पॉइंट का डिस्टेंस 2 है, सेकंड कंडक्टर इज 10 plus 2, that is our V1 V2 formula. So mu naught I1 I2 mu 2 pi RL, same way here, substitute and then larger minus smaller. Common sense is R1 बड़ा हो smaller है तो ये large one है, ये तो दोनों का डिफरेंस जो भी आएगा अपना आंसर है. चाहिए तो मैं डायरेक्ट लिख देता हूँ, इधर सॉल्व ही कर देता हूँ. इट इज FPS minus of FQR. So mu naught is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7, or you can take mu naught I upon 2 pi L common inside I1 upon R1 minus I2. तो इतना लिखो, पूरा जगह नहीं, मैं सॉल्व ही करता हूँ. Solving till end, don't take tension. Completed? Hello?
Completed, sir.
Full now? So please practice all the sums. Minimum I will say 2 times. Then only you'll remember things faster. Otherwise it will take time to click. So today I will complete only this much, 70 sums. You have to complete till 15 more. I will send the solution of that 15. Last time also I told, but I forgot. In case no doubt is there, I will start with 86 onwards. If doubt is there, I will explain. So that's all for today. Next we are meeting on Friday. And Friday I will be doing